Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Today, I will be spraying the top of my son's hair. He wants to dye his hair, but before we go through something as drastic as making it permanent, we are going to use this high beam color hairspray in the color Blonde. And we're going to see what this does. So we are not going to delay any longer, so let's get to it. So, my son, he wants to have just the middle of his hair. You want it through here, right? Or do you want all of it like that?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, so like up in here?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just going to use this piece of paper and we're just going to see what it does. Shake it up real good. Did you want it to go in an angle?
Yeah.
Please comment, like, and subscribe. My channel is Top It Off Miss R. And to be honest with you, I would rather that he did his hair this way, you know, instead of doing it so permanently, because he can switch it up as much as he likes with different colors, and it's not damaging to the hair. This is something you can wash out. And so if this is something that your son thinks he may want to try, did you want your roots done or you want it?
No, I want the roots to be like black, and I just want the tips to be like, you know, dyed out.
So I got it whereas the color will still sort of shine through. You know, some of the black is still shine through without it being just so dark. But pretty much, guys, what you want that? Right there. I truly believe that this is a better way. So, what I am going to do is give you a close-up to how it looks. I am going to, I don't know if you can see it there, but I'm going to try to turn him so you'll be able to see his hair. Yeah, you can see it. See that? So I'm also going to go around it. With the camera. So like right here, only thing you have to do is take the paper and angle it, you know, straighten up any lines that may not be as crisp as you like, just like I just did there. And pretty much, you know, I like for that black to show in through there, but if you don't want it to show in there, just erase it off. Now, I would suggest that if they wear like the sponge look, first sponge it and, you know, or twist it, whatever you're going to do, and then spray it. Because if you do it beforehand like this now and then try to go sponge, you're going to, of course, on the product, it's going to come off. But so far, guys, this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. This is what you wanted, right?
Yes, you're perfect.
So that is it for this video, guys. This is Top It Off Miss R, and I'm Miss R. If you have not yet, please comment, like, and subscribe. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
All right. All right, guys. Bye-bye.